We have reached Gurpur and our destination for breakfast as well. So this is a place where you get wood fire dosa.
Crazy grasshopper going absolutely crazy.
If you don't show the food for a breakfast ride, no meaning in doing a breakfast ride. Good morning, and I am off for a ride, and the reason behind for that is for a couple of special people who have joining me today. DemC, Charan and Kishan by iklikk. And DemC's come all the way from Bangalore. Crazy Grasshopper is his Insta handle. Charan, I'm not sure what's your Insta handle, if you have one. Extraterrestrial. Okay, it's from UFO team. And iklikk, I'm going to put all of these guys' Insta handle in the description. You must follow all of these guys for some crazy content from different genres, especially photography, for some crazy trails. And I'm meeting Charan for the first time. So, lot of UFO stuff. That's why extraterrestrial. And there's another extraterrestrial with me today, which is the Classic 350, the all-new Classic 350, which is based on the J1 platform. I'm going to review this as well, which is going to be a total different video altogether. And I have another special person joining me, which is Rajat on his RX. So, yeah, we'll just wait and I'll introduce when he comes. So, I'll see you guys in a bit and tell you where we are going to head next. And finally, Mr. Rajat is here.
Hi.
Helmet de play. And yeah, Rajat on his RX is also joining, and we are going towards Mudabidri. We were waiting for Rajat to unchuru petrol jinjaira. And now we are off. And yeah, we will keep you guys posted on our ride. So we have an RX, we have an NTORQ there, and then we have the R15 and the all new Classic 350. So we are starting a ride heading towards Gurupura, first break for some fuel for our tummy. In Chapoli? Okay, so we are going to have a special dosa there, courtesy Kishan bhai for this information, which is a firewood dosa. And this is all the way at Gurupura. And what's the name of the place, Kishan bhai? So I'll put the link in the description if you want to go check out that place. Once we reach there, I'm going to put a geo link so that if you guys want to plan, go there. Always welcome. So we were welcomed by a good amount of rain when we started the ride. So we had to stop a little bit because not all the boys had carried rain gear. I was the only person who was carrying rain gear. So I have Rajat right behind me on his RX, and yeah, you can see two vehicles right there. So that's Crazy Grasshopper and also Charan on his NTORQ. They're just cruising ahead. I'm just want to enjoy the moment. It's been a while that I have been on the ride, so just wanted to take it slow and nice and easy, and also at the same time enjoy this all new Classic 350 and feel how this performs on every game. See, now they've taken it a little slow, but otherwise yeah, both of them were just enjoying the curves. So I was just trying to understand how this new motorcycle handles in curves. And there you see a man just leaning onto the curve. DemC. It's a beautiful day, nice sunrise there. It rained heavily for about 10-15 minutes, and I have Kishan with me as a pillion, also known as iklikk. So you must go check out his page. He's a photographer, videographer, multi-talented person, does a lot of stuff. And look at the greenery around. This brings joy to you. Every time you see so much of green, it only makes me happy. and I'm sure it'll make you guys happy also if you are a kind of person who loves nature. And I think going forward from now, my rides will be much more frequent. I had taken a break, long break in fact. Haven't been doing any rides, but then with this ride I am marking the start of my ride season. Because of my various health reasons, I wasn't able to ride and I wasn't taking a chance as well. But then now, yeah, it's time to get back. I'm all fit and fine. And special thanks to Niran Motors for sending me this bike for review. I'm gonna do a separate another video talking about in detail of this motorcycle. So I have this bike for an entire day, so that's the reason I'm also going around and doing a bit of vlogging, travel, and also reviewing this motorcycle. And we have reached Gurpur and our destination for breakfast as well. So this is a place where you get wood fire dosa. So that's the Hotel Janatha, and that's where you get wood fire dosa. We'll just park the vehicle here. Raju, encha gammatanda?
Super gammat bro.
Good rain, no?
Mast road undu. Super road.
And Charan antu otrasi gammat mantu pondule rapa ondularu. Encha gammata cornering de?
Andu baare.
Adu satisfying cornerings. ಅಲ್ಲ ಗ್ರಾಸ್ ಸೂಪರ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿಸಿ ಬಿಸಿ ಒಳ್ಳೇದಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಹೇಗೆ ಗಮ್ಮತ್ತಾ? So that's the hotel we are going in now. Let's get in.
So 3, 4, 5. Mom, good morning. Good morning. Check out this place. So whatever you get here, most of the products or most of the food is made out of wood fire. And thanks to Kishan by iklikk for getting us an entry into the kitchen. So here's the dosa place. Look at that wood fire, getting some good amount of heat. Oh yeah, let's get some heat.
It was raining.
Yeah, and look at Rajat's jacket, it's completely wet.
Wet leathers.
So how's the ride? How's the ride, DemC? You've been cruising. I mean,
I love the roads.
yeah, and the ghat sections. And to accompany you is Charan.
Yeah.
Charan, how are you even doing it with those small wheels?
It's not the size for him. Yeah.
And Kishan bhai, thank you. Thank you for the exclusive entry into the kitchen. And
Enjoy the dosa.
yes, let's enjoy the dosa. And there's some Mangalore buns. And that's the other side of the kitchen. If you don't show the food for a breakfast ride, no meaning in doing a breakfast ride. And all of this is for one man. Not highway metric. It's a new season for history TV.
Different history TV.
So after that long break at the breakfast at Hotel Janatha, it's time to go ahead. So some recommendations. So if you plan to come next time for your breakfast at this place in Gurupura, I'm gonna put a link in the description so you can go check out that link if you plan to come and have breakfast at Janatha Hotel. Some of the recommendations here is to definitely have the wood fire dosa. What they make, it's unique to this particular place, and also the vada which they make, absolutely sumptuous. Should try that. Apart from that, you have their local specials here. You have Mangalore buns and a lot of other stuff. And now going towards Mudabidri, the roads are fantastic, very very nice, and this bike is handling this road very well. So it's a lovely day to ride, especially on a Sunday, making the best out of it. So I was out of the scene for a long time, but thanks to DemC for coming down and also saying let's go for a ride. So thank you DemC. This ride is made possible because of you, and also thanks to Kishan bhai who has joined us, and Charan and Rajat. All of these guys have made it for this ride, and we're just having a good time on a Sunday. And the best part is these roads are mind-blowing, and the weather is as well. So we have been getting rain and a little bit of sun, mix of all of these. And it's always joy and fun to go out for a ride with your friends. Special thanks to Niran Motors for giving me this motorcycle and making my ride special. Look at that mountain ranges. Wow, it's so good. You have to see this to actually experience. And crazy grasshopper going absolutely crazy in these roads. He just loves those curves, and on his R15 he's just going full on. But me and Kishan bhai are completely enjoying this ride, and Kishan is actually telling he is having a good time sitting in this motorcycle as a pillion, and the weather here is too good. It's one of those fantastic Sunday rides where you just relax and enjoy, and not too much of a stressful ride. And we're just doing a very short ride up till Mudabidri and spending more time just enjoying the scenic beauty. And here we are in Mudabidri. Now we are heading towards the 1000 Pillars Jain Temple, which is Savirabasadi Jain Temple. So thanks to Rajat. Rajat is leading us and directing us towards the temple. So the whole idea is just to reach towards the temple and spend some time there, and post which we will go back. So dead end left, you go towards the Savirabasadi temple in Mudabidri, which is the 1000 Pillar temple in Mudabidri. And here we are at the Mudabidri temple, which is the 1000 Pillar temple or Savirabasadi temple in Kishan.
Yes,
how's the ride?
Awesome ride.
Okay, so you didn't get your rain gear.
I didn't get I wanted to enjoy the rains basically. I'm used to regular cycling, so even if it is raining or not raining,
so it does not matter for you.
doesn't matter for me.
And yes, DemC,
Yeah.
how's Mangalore treating you? With what? Lot of water.
Unexpected rain.
Unexpected rains. Huh?
Yeah.
Crazy grasshopper.
Yeah.
Yes. And first time ever I'm riding with Charan.
Hi.
And that too on his talk. How's the ride so far?
Very good.
And this guy is rushing in. He needs to go back to Mangalore for some reason. On a Sunday. Bele, work.
What to do? When people like we are there, other people take off. We have to work. But the ride was amazing. I can now go back and start writing.
Yeah, see that's his RX there. And yes, sad story with DemC and Rajat. Both of them broke their, that's the side mirror. And he's broke his tail lamp. And all courtesy some straight dogs.
On a parked bike.
On a parked bike. And that too at Janatha Hotel in Gurpur. And here we are at Jain Basadi. And yeah, that's the all new Classic 350. And just enjoying the rain. Kishan, anything to say?
Nothing. I would like to love to say one thing. Whoever planning to buy Royal Enfield, I think they won't have any second opinion on buying Royal Enfield. They'll
So you're talking about this all-new Classic 350.
It's superbly refined vehicle. It is super smooth. Pillion comfort is extraordinary. I felt sleeping while coming.
Okay, so so we'll talk more on that when we do an exclusive review of that motorcycle. So thanks for that small, what do I say, testimonial. Yeah. And that's it for now. I'm going to close this video here itself. In the next episode, we are going to talk about our journey from Mudabidri to Mangalore, and also in between, we plan to go to Saripala and do a bit of off-roading and a lot of stuff planned. So please stay tuned, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, stay at home, stay safe. Bye-bye.